Hi guys, in today's video we're going to learn the 2 ways I create a slip knot. So method 1, you grab your crochet hook and your choice of yarn. But first of all, I would like us to get a yarn pull from the middle and let's see how it goes. Okay, now that was a really nice pull. So we grab our yarn and we just make a knot over a loop over a finger. So we grab the yarn, loop it that way, then we take the ends and grab it through the hole we've created in middle and we just drag it out. So that's one way to make a slip knot. This is my lazy slip knot. So we'll go over to method 2 of creating a slip knot. So we grab a good chunk of yarn and we bring out 2 fingers. So we wrap the yarn around the 2 fingers to create an X at the back, while also making 2 parallel lines at the front. Then we grab our crochet hook and we go under the first line and above the second line and pull the yarn through the first line. And that's how we've created a slip knot. So this is the official professional way to make a slip knot, guys. And that's it. And as usual, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.